Surprising facts about food. Fact number 1. Honey is the only food that never spoils. Edible honey has been found in ancient Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old. Fact number 2. Peanuts are not actually nuts. They are legumes, related to beans and lentils, and they grow underground. Fact number 3. An average ear of corn has about 800 kernels arranged in 16 rows, and each kernel is a separate fruit. Fact number 4. Chocolate was once used as currency by the Aztecs. They valued cacao beans so highly that they used them to pay taxes. Fact number 5. Apples float in water because they are 25% air, which is why apple bobbing works at parties. Fact number 6. Ketchup was sold as medicine in the 1830s. Doctors believed it could cure diarrhea, jaundice, and indigestion. Fact number 7. The world's most expensive pizza costs over $12,000 and is topped with 3 types of caviar and lobster from Norway. Fact number 8. Carrots were originally purple. The orange carrot was cultivated in the Netherlands in the 17th century as a tribute to William of Orange. Fact number 9. A single spaghetti noodle is called a spaghetto. The word spaghetti is actually the plural form in Italian. Fact number 10. Strawberries are not actually berries, but bananas, avocados, and watermelons are classified as berries by botanists. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these facts, hit the like button and subscribe for more.